Showcases how SocietyGenie simplifies premium laundry and home service bookings in Bengaluru. You'll see how easy it is to register, verify your details, and schedule services seamlessly. Click the Get Started button to begin your registration with SocietyGenie. Click the username to select your profile for registration. Enter your name in the provided field to proceed. Enter your email address to receive verification and updates. Click Verify Email with OTP to start the email verification process. Enter the verification code received via email to confirm your address. Click Verify Code to confirm your email verification. Click the phone number field to input your contact number. Enter your phone number to receive SMS verification. Enter a password with a minimum of 8 characters for account security. Select your residential community. Enter your apartment number to complete your address information. Click Finalize Registration to submit your details and create your account. Click Services to explore the available laundry and home service options. Click Book Service to start scheduling a service appointment. Click here to choose the specific service you want to book. Click Review Cart to verify your selected services before checkout. Click Apartment Name from list to confirm your service location. Click 11 a.m. to select your preferred service time slot. Click Pay Online to proceed with online payment options. Click here to view and select available payment methods. Click UPI, Google Pay to select this payment method. Fill on to activate the selected payment method. Choose your bank's UPI ID for payment. Confirm your bank UPI ID selection. Click Verify and Pay to finalize your payment securely. Click Pending to check the status of your recent order. This demo highlighted how SocietyGenie streamlines registration, service booking, and secure online payment. Start your journey today to experience convenient home services in Bengaluru, Varthur area.